Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution, which can help if you are suffering from dullness, uneven tone and textural irregularities. Now this is also a water-based serum, and it's going to be the second step in your skincare routine. Your first step is always going to be your cleanser. So make sure that you're washing your face with your favorite cleanser or an hydrating bath soap before you're moving on to the toner application. And then after that, you can also move on to any serums and your moisturizer. Now it's recommended to use the toner in the evening, and you can also use this one on a daily basis. However, from my experience, I definitely would recommend using it 2 to 3 times per week, as it can be quite strong. And it's not recommended to use if you're having sensitive, compromised or peeling skin. So if you want to make sure if it's also suitable for your skin, please also make sure that you're doing at first a patch test, which you can do by taking a clean cotton pad, use a bit of product on the cotton pad, and then also apply it on your forearm. Let it soak into the skin and keep it dry and leave it on your forearm for at least 24 hours and see if anything happens, if you have any reaction to it. And if everything is fine and you're having no reaction to it, then you can also start using it on your face and neck area. Now I have already washed my face, and I'm also going to use now a clean cotton pad and also use some product on top, and really making sure that I'm using enough for the entire face and neck area. Then also make sure that you're using sweeping motions over the entire face and neck, and also please make sure that you're avoiding the eye area and eye contour, which is this part right here. This is also a toner and a solution that you're going to leave on the skin, so please do not rinse it off. Now there are 2 more things which are really important to know when using the Ordinary toner. The first one is that it can make your skin very sensitive to the sun. So it's important to protect your skin with a good sunscreen when being exposed to the sun. Now usually, since you're using this one in the evening, you do not necessarily need to use a sunscreen when you're not exposed to the sun. But of course, let's say you're going to do your skincare routine at 8 o'clock in the evening and it's summertime, you will see the sun a bit longer and you then decide to go outside. Please also make sure that you're wearing sunscreen, since you're still being exposed to the sun and you just want to make sure to protect the skin. Even if you're deciding after some time that you don't want to use the toner anymore, it's recommended that you're going to keep going with the sun protection at least a week after, so that you're really making sure that you're not getting sunburned that easily. Now the other thing is, when it comes to the conflicts, using the toner, which is a direct acid, it's also important to know which products can't be used with the toner. Now I have a list for you right here. The first one is the direct acids. You can't use the direct acids within one routine. And since with the Ordinary direct acids, which are mostly also recommended being used in the evening, you probably won't use them even in the same routine. You only can use one of those. And for example, with the peeling solution, the azelaic acid suspension, etc., those are the direct acids from the Ordinary. Then you have the antioxidants such as the OIC 134 and the peptides. Those are the ones that cannot be used in the same skincare routine. So if you want to use one of the others, you have to alternate. Which means, for example, let's say you have Buffet at home, which is a peptide. So you shouldn't be using those 2 together in the same routine. So those wouldn't work in the PM skincare routine. However, what you can do is, since you can use Buffet in the morning and evening, you can stick to it only in the morning and you're going to leave it out in the evening. This way you're just making sure that those 2 are not going to be used together. which is really important to know. Otherwise, it can also cause irritations, which we definitely don't want. And trust me, I've had my experience with it, and you don't want to see it. So it's really important that you understand those 2 points before you're going to use it, maybe on a daily basis or 2 or 3 times per week. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you also liked this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. If you want to learn more, definitely go ahead and check out one of those videos, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!